Welcome back. One of the elements that Canva makes available to you are called Smart Mockups. And you can click the Smart Mockups area. And basically, a Smart Mockup allows you to display your design in a format that your customer or your prospect will be familiar with. For example, Canva can display your design on a bottle. It can be displayed in computer and mobile formats. And you'll see all of the available mockups here at the top, as well as those that are sectioned off. Now, if you want to look for a specific mockup, you can start here inside of the search. And you'll see a number of laptop mockups available. And you can also find mockups available for the Mac. In some cases, some of the mockups are only available with the Pro version. Other mockups are going to be available with the free account. What you're going to do is to choose your mockup. What you can then do is to select a design that you have already started. Once you have the image inside of your mockup, you can then do adjustments as you see fit. And basically, Canva will allow you to adjust the mockup. Once your mockups are complete, you can then save them, and then you can save the entire mockup. You then have two choices. You can use your mockup in its own design, or you can download the mockup to be used as it is. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.